In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Plans, also known as Advanced Roadmaps, for multi-team planning. We'll walk through the full setup and planning process so you can build a clear roadmap across multiple teams and projects, while keeping work organized, realistic, and easy to track. To get started, open Jira and go to Plans from the top navigation. From there, click Create Plan. You'll be asked to enter a plan name and then choose the teams and projects you want to include. This is the foundation of your roadmap, so make sure you select the projects that actually contain the work you want to manage in this plan. Next, add the teams and projects in more detail. Choose the Jira projects that hold your team's issues, then add the teams that will be working within the plan. After that, assign team members and define team capacity. This is important because your roadmap will be much more accurate when Jira knows who is available and roughly how much work each team can handle. At this stage, also review all issues included in the plan so you understand exactly what has been pulled in. Once your work is included, organize it using Jira's issue hierarchy. Structure the plan with initiatives at the top, then epics, stories, and tasks underneath. This gives you a clear way to connect day-to-day work with larger strategic goals. As you build that structure, group related work under bigger outcomes and review dependencies between teams so nothing important gets overlooked. After that, move into the timeline view in your plan. This is where the roadmap becomes visual. Review start dates, due dates, releases, and milestones. Seeing everything on a timeline makes it much easier to spot scheduling conflicts, gaps, or work that may be happening too late. Adjust schedules based on team availability so your plan reflects actual delivery capacity instead of just ideal deadlines. Then open the Teams section to manage capacity more closely. Add team members if needed, set available capacity, and compare planned work against team workload. If one team is overloaded, rebalance tasks before it turns into a delivery problem later. You'll also want to track dependencies directly in the plan. Select an issue, add issue links for dependencies, and review any blocked work across teams. If one team is waiting on another, adjust the timeline early to avoid delays cascading through the roadmap. Finally, use scenario planning to test changes without affecting Jira immediately. You can try moving deadlines, changing team assignments, or reprioritizing work, then review the impact before committing those changes. This gives you a safe way to explore options and make better planning decisions. That's how to use Jira Plans for effective multi-team planning.